Hello guys, I'm Tim Clank with MasterTech, and what we're going to discuss tonight is RV roof condition. So some of you guys out there either have a recreational vehicle or now, or maybe you're perhaps looking to buy another recreational vehicle. So this roof happens to be a rubber roof, and you need to know how to determine whether the roof's integrity is there or not. Basically, when you look at a rubber roof, an RV roof, if it's left outside, will last primarily about 10 years before you start seeing pretty extensive deterioration. And what you can look at is if you look at the roof and kind of see water traffic going down the side. What that is that's basically sagging. And what that is caused from is the deterioration of the underlayment underneath the roof rubber itself, or TPO. So when you get down on your knees, if you got down on your knees and you walk or kneel around on the roof, you're going to actually feel the roof pucker underneath your kneecap. That is a sign of deterioration in the underlayment as well. If you go up into the front here, you can see how it kind of puckers up quite a bit. When you actually step on it, it almost feels like you're going to go through the roof. Now, the underlayments underneath coaches can vary. They can be from plywood to OSB to Luan, depending on what the manufacturer built it with. When you look at rubber and it deteriorates, you look at the corners. This is where majority of your deterioration is going to happen. So if you look at it, you'll find little splits along the side of the rubber itself. That is allowing moisture to get into the entire roof assembly itself, causing deterioration. So what I was talking about earlier regarding sealing a roof, we're talking about sealing around like your satellite wire access wires, or antenna, or around your vents, around your TV antenna, refrigerator vents, etc. All of that sealant needs to be maintained. And if it is older than, say, 5 to 7 years, it's going to have to be peeled off completely and resealed. The problem with it is a typical peel and seal on a coach is about 8 to 9 hours. That's right, we're talking 8 to 9 hours. Plus, a roof of this size will take approximately 10 tubes of self-level to basically reseal the roof. The problem is once you do that, yes, those areas are primarily resealed, but it does not cover the checking that is along the side corners of the roof, etc. So if you will see the roof, you can look and see where the roof traffic is or the water traffic is, and that kind of tells you the way the roof is flowing. We're going to show some pictures of the back of the roof a little bit later, and you're going to see some areas where the roof decking has actually given away. Therefore, it's allowing the rubber to overstretch itself. So, rule of thumb, older than 10 years, it needs a new roof. Your typical roof replacement on a vehicle is about $7,000 to $9,000 for a 40-foot coach. You can get an Invincible Roof put on for that. Now, that doesn't include if we have to redeck the roof due to deterioration or neglect of the previous roof damage. But we do that here as well. Even if you have a complete delaminated roof, as if you look at some of our other projects, we do everything here, bumper to bumper, because we are America's #1 bumper to bumper renovation, collision, and service center here in Elkhart, Indiana. Feel free to contact our sales department, our service department, or parts department for all your RV needs. Thank you very much.